Okay, we're on question 20 now, and we've got to find the area of the trapezium. On the front of every exam sheet, okay, every exam sheet, they always give you the area of a trapezium, okay? There it is. It tells you to add the A and the B, half it and multiply by the height. Add the parallels, half it times the height, okay? So you go to the front of the page and you say area is equal to half of the parallels added, okay? The parallels is 8.2 and at 12.8. Those are my parallel sides, you can see that. And it says times it by the height between them is 7.6. Now be careful when you do this. If you're using the brackets, I would do this bit first, then divide by 2 and then times by 7.6 just to make sure, okay? So you're going to add your 8.2 to the 12.8, get the answer. You can divide by 2 because that's what a half is, divide by 2, and then you're going to times it by 7.6. Okay, you've got an answer for the area is equal to 79.8. Now what's the units? We're in centimetres, area, you know that. What is it? Okay, you guessed it, good, squared, well done. Okay, now we want the area of a semicircle. Okay, circles, we know all circles have what in there? Tell me, good, pi. All circles have got a pi in there. And we know the area is going to be pi something. And all areas have got squares in. Okay, we've got two formula, haven't we? One is pi r squared, and one is pi times the diameter. So if it's the one with a squared in, it must be pi r squared. Okay, now we've got a semicircle. Semicircle is just half the circle, isn't it? So that's the full area. That would be all of it. If I only want half of it, I divide by 2. Now the next thing to remember is this is a diameter. Now you know what the diameter is all the way across, but the radius is only halfway across. So if the diameter is equal to 44.8, the radius is half of that, which is 22.4. Okay, again, you don't have to do it in your head, do it on the calculator. So the area is going to be pi times the radius, 22.4. We're going to square it, and we're going to divide by 2. Okay, so it's going to be pi times 22.4 squared, we've got the squared button, equals, divide by 2. Okay, and we got the change button, and we get an answer for our area of 788. Again, we're going to put it to one decimal place, because this is only one decimal place here. It says 1627. So 1627, does it stay as a 1 or go up to a 2? It goes up to a 2 because of the 6 afterwards. Don't forget area, centimetres squared.